going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I got a 2000 model Corvette with an LS1 with just under 60,000 miles. I'm going to do a little walk around. Any other info that's on this car will be posted below in the description. You can also check it out on my website. I've got 100 detailed pictures of this car, inside, out, and underneath. It's a 6-speed car. See, I drive it all the time, any kind of pretty day. Get it out. It's one of my personal rides. But I'm gonna pick out any kind of flaws just like I do all the other vehicles, and I'll let you know everything about it. So it's got wheels that match the paint job. One of the little blue fog lights is out. I can't remember which one it was. I'll turn them on and let you see. Headlights work good. Tires on it are in good shape. Still got plenty of tread. It's got the heads-up display. There's no leaks or anything. There's a little scratch right here on the wing. There's another one right here. A few of them back here. I think it's just chips from driving down the road. Like I said, tread's still really good on the tires. All right. There's a couple little chips right here I couldn't get out. Same with the mirror here. All the controls work good. The sound system sounds great. Door panel's in good shape. Seat's got a little bit of wear where you slide in and out because the car's so low. It's not ripped up or anything. Armrest does have some wear. Clutch feels good. I also have a driver video on this car, so you can check that out if you're interested. It's cup holder, it's aftermarket. Slides up under the console there. The headliner got real hot outside. Got in my car and half of it was hanging down, so I just pulled it the rest of the way off. I got it in the back. I haven't got around to flipping the top over and getting the glue off and putting new glue on yet. Show you where it is. I was thinking about taking the glue off and just leaving the headliner material off, because it's just flat black. Yeah, I got it back here and it's kind of, I folded it in half so it can stay back here. I might get around to messing with that. Just haven't decided if I want to put that back on or just take the glue off. All right. Of course, that seat's in better condition. Let me show you. Yeah, if I just took the glue off, it's all over it. It'd just be shiny black, so it's probably what I'll end up doing. E-brake works good. I'm on a hill here. Got the clutch in, so we're not rolling. I've noticed one thing. This little temp gauge over here isn't exactly correct. It seems like it's off by like 10 degrees or so. And right here on the display, I gotta shut the hatch. It's got a digital readout of the temp gauge. So when I first bought the car, I got one of those laser temperature, and this one was correct. So let me shut this door. It seems pretty close right now. But and the heads-up display. Cold AC. $59, $154. Radio works good. I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, I'll try to help you out. My name is Nick. This is my personal car. Give us a call, 615-822-4444. If you have any questions or anything, I can definitely help you out there. If you want to see detailed pictures of this car inside, out, and underneath, go to my website, maplemotors.com. Please subscribe to my page if you haven't already. I post cars like this every single day. Hey, you flip the headlight? Appreciate it. Guys, please share my page, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.